If you could see the world through my eyes, vibrant purple sunrise, shards of broken dreams come raining down.
Mark here, Life and Fitness Files. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with content. Today, I'm going to be asking a question that came up in my 4x4 high intensity interval training video that I have posted. The question really revolves around, is this something that I should do as a beginner? And if I'm just starting out, how do I go about this? Great question. If you're just starting out, people have asked, can I do this with walking? If you are not trained, that's probably a smart idea. If you haven't been doing running or biking regularly to build a foundation, you might hurt yourself if you jump into, hey, I'm gonna run at this crazy fast speed. You also have to keep in mind that your heart rate is going to skyrocket if you're not used to this because your body hasn't built capacity. You wanna make sure if you're just starting out that you are building aerobic capacity, walking, some light jogging. Your body has to get used to that, both in your muscles, your bones, your breathing. Everything has to adapt and get used to that so you can build your VO2 max. If you are going from a low VO2 max because you're not very active, you're going to see an increase in VO2 max even just by moving. Now, if you're looking and saying, I'm starting out, but I now have that foundation. So we're at that point. But I want to increase my VO2 max. Should I jump into this 4x4 protocol? It depends on your level of fitness and depends on your experience. Maybe you've taken a break or maybe you just haven't done it before. You want to consider, what is my pace that I'm going when I'm jogging? If I increase my pace and my heart rate skyrockets up, take that into consideration. Use that faster speed for your 4-minute protocol. Don't go all out where you can't even sustain it for 4 minutes. Maybe you want to include this one time per week and you just want to start with one interval to see where it goes. So I've been doing some jogging. I have that foundation built and I want to run a little bit faster. Can I sustain that for 4 minutes? That might feel really hard at first. Take that, recover, and maybe do that for a few weeks and start feeling, okay, I'm getting the hang of this. I'm not injuring myself. I'm building up. Then you can always increase that. But let's say you're someone that's walking at a casual pace and I'm getting more active. Good for you. I am glad that you're doing that and taking your health and fitness seriously. Now I want to increase that. So maybe I'm going to walk at a brisk pace for 4 minutes and then I'm going to slow back down because that might get your heart rate up. That's okay. That's why you're working at this, so that you can do more activity without your heart rate going up super high. But if that's where you're at, that's an okay thing. That's a good place to start. Know where you're at. It's good to have some kind of fitness tracker, whether it's a watch, a Whoop, etc., to know where your heart rate is, because if you see that really go up higher, you're going to know, okay, I'm just going to walk at a brisk pace for 4 minutes and then I'm going to come back down. Then eventually work up to doing that 4 times with rest in between so that I can then start building capacity. Be active. That is the part that's going to help you to build and sustain. As you get more comfortable with that, maybe you do a little bit of a jog as part of your normal workout. Or maybe you're doing some walking as your rest and you're going to do a little bit of a jog instead of a brisk walk for your 4 minutes. Make sure you don't go too fast too soon so you don't hurt yourself. But starting off slow is a very good thing. You can start with just 1 interval. You can start with 4 intervals, but know where that threshold is. As you build that up, you're going to see, what pace can I go at? How high does my heart rate go? What is my heart rate max? If you haven't done a lot, that's going to be hard to figure out at first, but keep with it. You'll also start to see that, hey, my resting heart rate is going down. Hey, my recovery takes less time from doing this work. Whoa, that seemed really hard. I did the same intensity and now, okay, my body's able to come down a lot faster. So if you're just starting out, it's going to have to build and you have to take time. Be patient, but give yourself credit for being active and taking your health and fitness seriously. Hopefully this video helps you on your journey. If you have any other specific questions, leave those in the comments and questions below. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with content. Here's to life and fitness. Peace out.
walking miles in someone else's